Alrighty, hello folks, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about my 21 Kawasaki Teryx 800 two-seater. It's been a pretty good vehicle, had it probably 11 months now. Yes, I do clean it too much. We added on the additional bumper on the front, some lights, winch. Originally had steel cable, just upgraded it to synthetic rope. I have not put a new fair lead on yet. That's something that needs to be done. The Kawasaki half windshield and full top, and their mirror package. So far, I've been pretty happy with all of it. I'm normally not in a situation I need a full windshield, other than today when it's 15 degrees. Fairly capable, as we can see. We're in not the most friendliest of conditions. I did not opt for the expensive floor mats that most people go with. Here we got a set of flaps out of the back of a truck. Bed protector. Did add the marine grade switches, and why not have an Uga horn? Did the same thing, had enough material left over from the bed mat to do in there. These plastic liners are way too slippery. This rubber makes it much more useful. Also put cargo lights. And for reversing, put lights down there. And bought the factory Kawasaki bumper, which is done very well. Things that I would improve on this in the rocky conditions that I'm in: a little bit of a lift would be good, and slightly taller tires. Other than that, she's been a very good machine. And that's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching. I will be doing a drive around vehicle in this next and uploading it shortly as well.